Hey there, knife enthusiasts and curious wanderers. Today, we're going to do some unboxing and reviewing of the latest sharp addition to our collection, the 1790 Knives Raptor titanium folding knife with a D2 steel blade. Check out this cool box. Every knife shipped from 1790 comes in a really cool box like this. If you have multiple, you can stack them all up and they stay nice and secure. Put them in your bag, carry them with you wherever you might go if you don't carry something in your pocket or you want to keep them protected. They look like museum pieces, but they should be worn and used as much as possible. Let's get this open and check it out. This is the Raptor titanium folding knife. Look at this beauty. It's sleek, it's shiny, and it's ready to slice through anything like a ninja on a caffeine high. The handle lock here is made of titanium alloy. It's durable. It locks the blade in place with a satisfying click. Oh man, that's the stuff. If you're like me, you find yourself flipping this thing open like a fidget spinner just to hear that sound. It's strangely addictive. But remember kids, don't try this at home without adult supervision, or at least a Band-Aid. Look at this. It slices through paper like butter. Ropes don't stand a chance. And all of my tomatoes, they're all trembling with fear. Watch out, salad. Here comes the Raptor. This flipping action is smoother than my dance moves at a wedding. Thanks to the quality steel bearings here at the pivot pin, you'll find yourself doing this all day long. It's a great way to pass the time or awkward elevator rides. That'll make everybody super comfortable if you're playing with your knife. Now let's talk about this D2 steel blade. It's sharp, it's durable, and it's ready for action. And the best thing, if you ever need it sharpened, you can send it back to 1790 Knives with their CY6 Lifetime Guarantee. You can send it in, they'll clean it up, they'll get it sharp, send it back out to you. Plus, that guarantee covers any defects and issues with a knife over the lifetime of it. That's like having a personal knife butler. But if you're like me and you like customizing your gear, you can get your own design on a knife, whether it's your company logo, your name, or even your big red number for your Airstreams. 1790 Knives can make it any way you want to if you want to customize your knife to match it with your life or your statement, or you want to give it out as a gift. Oh, did I mention this pocket clip? This bad boy is made of titanium too. It's so strong you could probably tow your card with it if you needed to. Okay, maybe not, but definitely it will keep your knife secure in your pocket. Just imagine explaining that to roadside assistants. So there you have it, folks. The 1790 Knives Raptor titanium folding knife with a D2 steel blade. It's sleek, it's sharp, and it's ready for any adventure you can throw at it. Oh, and for a special treat, you can use my discount code 13adventures to get 10% off your purchase. The link and the code are down below in the video description. Go on and treat yourself and get you something cool, or get a gift for someone in your life. Goodbye, everybody. And remember, life's too short for those dull knives.